Let users edit the data without messing up your formulas. First, unlock all cells. Click the small triangle in the top left corner of the worksheet to select all cells. Right-click any cell, choose Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, uncheck Locked, and click OK. Now all cells are unlocked. The second step is to select all cells containing formulas. Click any cell, press Ctrl-G or F5 to open the Go to dialog box. Click Special button, select Formulas, and if needed, limit the formulas to the subtypes underneath, and click OK. The third step is to lock the formula cells. With the formula cells selected, right-click any of them, choose Format Cells, go to the Protection tab, check Locked, and click OK. The final step is to protect the worksheet. Click Review tab and choose Protect Sheet. Set a password if you want. Click OK, and your formula cells are now locked and protected, while users can still edit other data. Thanks for watching.